Good morning, Facebook. Hi. So this is the dresser that I did my live on yesterday. We added all that color and then I let it dry. I was gonna do another live, but my phone died and my data just for whatever reason was not working very well out here. It was still kind of choppy. So I'm gonna try to figure out what's going on with that so that I can do more lives for you. But anyways, I did come out here and I coated everything in the hay sailor, which was the original blue that was on this piece. And then with the top is blue as well. It just was too much. Even when I sanded it back and kind of distressed it to show the colors underneath, it was just a lot of blue. So I decided, as you can see, to go over everything in white, which I did. And then I went through with my orbital. See, I did add a transfer right here. This drawer is finished. I still want to do some more distressing on these, I think, just in some spots. But this drawer is done. So I did put a transfer on it this morning. Once I put the transfer on, used just my hand sander, and then I sanded over it just to give it some wear. And so now I'm gonna go over it with clear wax because I kind of wanted you guys to see all the colors pop, all the colors that we put in yesterday. So we'll just get right to it. DIY clear wax, as I always use. And we're just gonna go in circles. Look at all that pop. Can you see that? Let me bring you in a little closer. There we go. So all these colors are going to come out that I distressed the white over. So it's gonna, you can see some of the kissing booth and some of the green. Isn't that pretty? I'm not sure. I still gotta distress the little handles a little bit more, so I'm not gonna go over those with wax right now. But as you can see, yeah, once you put the top coat on, everything kind of pops, which is really nice. You can see the before and after. Before and after. So it just kind of brings it new life. And I am noticing that obviously I got some blue paint somehow on my brush. Oh, I bet this wasn't dry all the way. That's fine, I don't mind. Adds to it. Yeah. So there we go. Just a little bit of waxing, and this will be a great piece. So like I said, I'm going to distress a little bit more, but that's really all I got for you guys today. I may do a live later. I'm going to do some little fun fall crafty stuff. So I am running to Caledonia to get some more paint, and then I'll come home and yeah, we'll do some fun little crafty stuff inside. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Bye.